The Earth. As far as we know, it's the only home to life in the universe. So what makes our planet so special? To find answers, we must travel back in time. See the first humans walk the Earth. Ride each colliding continent. Face killer dinosaurs. Dive into oceans full of bizarre life forms. Feel the bitter chill of global ice ages. And experience the fury of cosmic missile attacks. By traveling back in time, we can piece together our planet's incredible story and discover why all of this and all of us are here. The journey starts almost 5 billion years ago. There's no sign of Earth just yet. Only the sun, a newborn star surrounded by dust. The Earth hasn't formed yet. But through time, gravity pulls the dust into tiny rocks. To our surprise, something as complex as a planet is made from nothing more than dust and rocks. Over millions of years, gravity pulls these rocks together to form the Earth. One of at least 100 planets circling the sun. But 4.5 billion years ago, Earth looks more like hell than home. Up close, the temperature is over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no air, just carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. It's so hot and toxic that if we got any closer, we'd be incinerated and suffocated in seconds. This newborn planet is a boiling ball of liquid rock. An endless ocean of lava. A young planet called Theia is heading straight for Earth. The size of Mars, it travels nearly 10 miles per second, 20 times faster than a bullet. The intruder's gravity distorts the Earth's surface. blast wave races around the planet. It's as though both young planets turn to liquid. Trillions of tons of debris blast out into space. But over the course of 1,000 years, gravity turns the rubble into a ring of red-hot dust and rock that circles the Earth. From this ring, a ball forms, over 2,000 miles wide. It's the birth of our moon. But it's much closer than the moon today. Just 14,000 miles away, instead of 250,000 miles. The sun rises over a cooling Earth and sets just 3 hours later. The Earth is spinning so fast that an entire day lasts 6 hours. The days may pass quickly, but the Earth changes slowly. To understand the making of our planet, we need to fast forward through millions of years.